I am Muhammadullah. Right now, I am making international case against India, America, Israel. The India got killed is a Zineda MP for the gold. The gold is mine. I'm saying again, the gold is mine. Not mine mean mine. Mine mean my people. The gold have been given to Magura MP Biren Chikder for they changed the religion to Hindu to Muslim. They will talk to their leaders. In India, Narendra Modi is their leaders. They will talk to them. The gold worth, nobody don't know how much they worth. The gold is a worth of $22,000 million worth. $22,000 million worth gold. They say with the cause I kill them. No, they make them like that. They contact the Indian government, Narendra Modi and Bangladesh MP Magura Asong 2. One is a Asong Sakibul Hassan. Sakibul Hassan know about this too. Sakibul Hassan know about this. Sakibul Hassan father know about this, and uh, Shikor know about this because before Shikor they talked to Shikor about that. Shikor said no. That's why they kick Shikor out. They put Sakibul Hassan in there. So this is a big issue. And after they take the $22,000 million worth gold, they got their hand. Then they start bring up like cobra, like it's a snake, the cobra biting Bangladesh in cobra, you know, Russell cobra, Russell. Then after that they run away with the money. Then they run away with the whole plan. My question is, America gonna give our money or India gonna give our money? If you guys wanna kill me, I'm ready. I'm ready to die. I don't wanna be like this. But Bangladesh police, Bangladesh army with me because I am Bangladesh citizens and I work for Bangladesh law. I work with Bangladesh. All I'm talking about is Bangladesh.